In my case, I started out with braces as an adult, and once that procedure was finished, due to a tooth that was removed, they had noticed some regression on the backside of my lower teeth, and some gum tissue needed to be grafted on my couple lower teeth. They referred me to Dr. Northcott. I did have family members ask about what a periodontist was, which they'd never heard of, and I wasn't familiar with it beforehand. But now that I know what it is, it's easy to explain to others and let them know. I did at one time have a question for Dr. Northcott on a weekend, and I called the number, and she was very responsive and called back within a few minutes, and that was very nice, very thoughtful, and put me at ease, and made an appointment later that week to come in and just check things and make sure everything looked okay. Everything was explained ahead of time for what I needed to do, and the gum graft procedure that I had done went very quickly. I just remember, them asking, "Are you feeling okay? Are you doing okay?" during the procedure, and that's helpful. So yeah, I do feel much better knowing that the gums have been repaired and will be better for future health.